We've got a full load coming down now. All right, keep the auger moving smoothly.
How fast can it think?
1,000 decisions per second.
Breaking the skins.
Where does the world's purest juice start? The pristine morning vineyard. The mechanical beast arrives.
We've got a full load coming down now. All right, keep the auger moving smoothly.
Why remove the stems? To avoid bitter taste. Lasers check the fruit next. How fast can it think?
1,000 decisions per second.
Breaking the skins.
Is it like a hydraulic press?
No, it's an air balloon.
Is this wasted? Recycled for compost.
Is that ice? No, it's potassium salt.
Yes, it's just cream of tartar.
Is it done yet?
Almost. Checking the flavor.
We need to check the blend. Is it sweet enough? Testing sugar levels. Does heat ruin the taste? Not if it's only 15 seconds. Cooling it instantly.
Why flip them? To let gravity help clean. High pressure rinse.
Why dry the neck? So mold doesn't grow under the cap. Hot filling begins.
Why is it steaming? It's filled at 85 degrees Celsius to kill bacteria.
What was that puff? Nitrogen to remove oxygen.
Why lay them down? To sterilize the lid with heat.
Why not cool them fast? The glass would shatter.
Are they cold? Just lukewarm. They are drying off for labels.
Why so dry? Glue hates water. Surface dyeing level must be high for adhesive to bond.
How fast? 20 inspections per second. Grouping them up. How to clean miles of pipe with acid and speed, dissolving the organics. Is it safe? Yes, rinse thoroughly after the swab test.
We had an issue on line 3 with the capping machine.
Okay, we'll keep an eye on the pressure sensor.
Make sure the new batch is calibrated.
Does it ever fall?
Never. Sensors prevent it.
How does it see?
Laser rangefinders. Lights out.
Is it just juice? No, it needs sugar and pectin, the secret ingredient.
What is that powder?
Pectin, the gelling agent, the final ingredient.
The setting point is triggered by acidity. Without this acid, the pectin chains would repel each other and stay liquid.
Why vacuum boil? To cook without burning.
Why heat the glass? So it doesn't shatter.
Is it solid yet?
Yes, gelled perfectly.
Seal. Checking the seal.
Why heat it? To melt the waxes, preparing for mixing water and oil.
Is it thick enough? Like soft serve? Exactly. Perfect peak. Sealing it shut.
Induction sealing ensures the product stays fresh and proves it hasn't been opened. Is it real silver? Metallized plastic, the brand name.
Is it soap? No, it's a surfactant blend. The bubble makers. Why so thick? Concentrated cleaning agents. Is that metal? No, it's wax crisp for shine. Thickening it up. Thickening it up.
We see the fragrance bonding as the micelles trap the oil droplets. This ensures the scent is locked in through proper solubilization. We adjust the pH precisely to 5.5. This matches your scalp's natural acidity, preventing the hair cuticle from opening.
Where are the bubbles? Prevented by diving nozzle. Adding the pump. How many fit? 26 pallets standard. Preventing the slide.
Can you open it? Not without bolt cutters.